Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Brownies kitchen with Amna. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees C and line an 8x8-inch pan while we gather ingredients. Melt chocolate and butter gently, whisk in sugar, eggs, and vanilla, then fold in flour and salt. I'll explain mixing technique, timing, and cooling tips so your brownies turn out fudgy each time, with easy swaps for nuts or extra chocolate. Start by melting 200 g chocolate with 125 g butter over low heat, stirring to combine. In a separate bowl, whisk 200 g sugar with 2 eggs and 1 tsp vanilla until slightly thick. Gently fold 100 g flour and a pinch of salt into the chocolate mix, keeping some streaks for fudgier texture. Pour batter into the prepared 8x8-inch pan and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes, watching closely near the end. When baking, check at 20 minutes with a toothpick. You want moist crumbs, not wet batter. Try adding 100 g chopped nuts or 75 g chocolate chips for a textural lift, or swirl in caramel for extra sweetness. Let brownies cool completely in the pan so they set and slice cleanly. Chilling briefly makes cleaner cuts. I'll also share how to store leftovers and reheat them for that just-baked feel later on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.